What is science?
We are to find out the answers to various questions in our daily life. We often need to answer questions such as what is your height? What is your weight? What is the time now? Or what is the temperature today? In order to answer these questions, measurements of height, weight, time, and temperature are vital. We are dependent on such measurements. In our day to day life, actually, we can quantify things through measurements. Assalamu alaikum, everybody. Hope you all are cheaper and eupeptic. This is Mahaza bin Tabassum. I'm also keeping cool. Today I'm back with another presentation. And today I'm going to tell you what is science. This is the first part of the series Scientific Process and Measurement. So let's begin. What is measurement? Measurement is the process of determining the ratio of a physical quantity. We are familiar with various forms of measuring things in different situations of our life. For example, we have to depend on measurements while buying rice or cooking oil from grocers. Actually, science is a special kind of knowledge. Do you know what knowledge is? Knowledge is information related to something. Now, the question that may arise is, what information is related to science? We have learned about living things, non-living things, water, air, and soil. These are the elements of natural environment. Moreover, we are also familiar with various natural phenomena, such as how rain falls, how plants produce their food, etc. Therefore, science is the spatial knowledge related to nature and natural phenomena. But any information related to nature is not science. If someone gives an imaginative explanation of a natural happening, that may not be considered as science. That explanation needs to be validated through experiments or observations. We might have heard interesting tales on the origins of rainfall, but these types of tales or explanations are not based on science because they are not grounded and supported by any experimental findings. We acquire the knowledge of science through experiments, analyses, observations, and logical thinking. These are the process of science. As the knowledge is science, similarly the process of acquiring knowledge is also science. As scientific process is required to acquire the knowledge of science, a scientific mind or viewpoint is also needed. This includes logical thinking, recognizing others' opinion, and admitting self-errors. This is also known as being science-oriented. Now, how do you then define science? Science is the knowledge related to nature and natural phenomena, which is obtained through observations and experiments or supported by experimental data and a science-oriented view. The knowledge of science is as important as the process and system of acquiring knowledge, whereas a science-oriented mind is even more important. So that was all for today. Inshallah, I'll come up with another presentation. Till then, bye bye. Assalamu alaikum.